Water is the most important resource in any car wash, and Sonny's Car Wash Water offers the most complete approach to water treatment in the industry to help you optimize every drop. We're the only company in the industry that offers everything you need to soften, purify, pressurize, and reuse your water. We have the expertise and experience to treat every drop of water in your wash with a plan that's customized to your site. Our water pressurization systems give your water a boost. Our versatile line of booster pumps ensure your wash always has the water pressure and volume it needs. We also offer commercial-grade water softener systems that optimize your water to work with your chemistry and equipment. Impress your customers with a stunning spot-free rinse thanks to our reverse osmosis system. Purified RO water is gentler on your equipment and enhances your performance. Our spot-free delivery pumps powerfully deliver your RO water to thoroughly rinse each car, and our RO reject recapture systems ensure you're utilizing every drop. Once all that water goes down the drain, our state-of-the-art Boost Reclaim system reconditions and reuses your water to dramatically lower your water and sewer bills. This new innovation has been re-engineered for best-in-class validated performance with superior odor reduction and water clarity. Whether you need more pressure, soft water, purified spot-free water, or reclaim water to lower your costs, Sonny's Water has you covered. Contact our water experts to start saving and optimize every drop today.